$700 transmission.
How long you had the Chevy and the Ford?
I've had this going on 9 years now.
9 years. You put the engine in yourself? Tell me what your Ford buddies said. Your Ford buddies, what did they say?
Well, you know, I get all kinds of flack from them guys.
Yeah.
But I just laugh at them.
They weren't happy with it.
No, but it's been a good truck, real dependable.
Now say the year model one more time.
This is 1935.
A 1935. Yeah. It looks great.
Thanks.
I'm going to drop back and catch some video of it. Is there anything that's really unique about it?
Well, no, I guess not. It's just an excellent highway driver. It's got a new frame.
You got disc brakes?
Disc brakes. And
air conditioning?
No air.
No air. You stuck to the old school.
I had to cut the budget back just wherever I could.
Yeah, I hear you.
It takes so much to do one.
Yeah.
But yeah, just a good, fun driving vehicle.
It's beautiful.
Really good. Thank you very much.
I always got one windshield wiper.
Yeah, got one. My wife complains about that, but I can get a kit that'll do two. But I said you're looking at $400 or $500, so you know. So.
Yeah. Want to do you? This lowered down.
Yeah.
I thought so.
I've got some air ride suspension. I can raise it and lower it.
Raise it and lower it.
A little bit, yeah.
When you want it to be high.
Yeah.
This is probably as low as it goes, ain't it?
You go a little bit lower.
It looks good.
Not much, but a little. But I got to be careful. I'm getting some high spots.
Yeah. The way these roads are. Hit a manhole cover sticking up. That would be good.